The goal of my dissertation will be to improve fitness and interest in physical activity for middle school students. I am doing this for several reasons. First of all, there is a great decline in physical activity from grades 5 through 8, which is the range of middle school students. Secondly, obesity rates, especially in South Carolina, are extremely high. Third, the cost of obesity is causing a major issue for health of the United States, both physically and financially. Psychosocial impacts impact middle school students probably the greatest. And so many have an inability to achieve these healthy fitness zones. This not only helps to decrease their self-esteem, but also decreases their health. This intervention will allow students to perform high-intensity interval training taught by trained college student mentors who will be volunteers. They will go through a 15-week intervention with 8 minutes per session and do short bouts of hard exercise. One of the great benefits of high-intensity exercise is that each student will gauge hard on their own threshold. So what's hard to one student might be easy to another, and vice versa. They will use ratings of perceived exertion to assert hard, and on a scale of 1 to 10 ratings perceived exertion, we hope to get them between an 8 and a 9. One of the benefits of this is that the actual PE teacher will actually have smaller groups and allow for more repetitions within the traditional class that he or she is teaching. We will assess their fitness by doing the traditional fitness grams, which includes body comp using BMI, cardiovascular fitness using the PACER test, flexibility by doing sit and reach, and muscular fitness by doing a push-up and crunch test. We will determine if the students meet the healthy fitness zone or if they're in a needs improvement zone at the beginning and at the end of the semester. Further, they will also conduct an internal motivation inventory. This inventory will ask them if they are interested in this activity, if they feel like they've mastered this activity, and if they have a desire to continue this activity. The benefits of this is that we could potentially hope that middle school students will find a fun, easy, and quick way to improve fitness, thereby hopefully decrease future health risks and increase the long-term quality of life.